Hi everyone. Um, Here we go again with another project, but I'm most likely not gonna use, but I kind of find it cool anyways. So I built this project basically for people to discover a new idea, right? So again, I could say discover your next coding adventure. What I basically did was I used the GitHub API to be able to recommend projects to people, right? So what you first do here is you enter a skill level, which is all arbitrary. Honestly, I haven't really thought much about all this, but yeah, you select basically the topic, you enter what kind of thing you want. Experimental is like research kind of thing. Open source, you want to contribute. Independent is what you want to do for yourself. Practical is versus exploratory is like do you want it for more for fun or like just explore stuff, or more practical, you actually want to use it. And then we have a time commitment, which honestly it doesn't matter. I'll use agent here as one of the additional keywords because people seem to like it quite a bit. So I'll enter that here and let's see what we got cooking. All right, cool. So these are the results we got here. We usually have way more than that, but I truncated it to just 11 results for now. So yeah, I'll just select the projects I like. Could honestly be anything, but I'll just take the first three for now. Um, and I click on brainstorm ideas. When I click on brainstorm ideas, what happens is I basically get like the project I saved before, and it asks me what specifically do I want to build, right? I already have a pre-built prompt here. I'll add, I want to build a tool that helps social media influencer or help train and deploy, uh, models effortlessly. Just say models. I know the two are not really like close at all in terms of project idea, but hey, whatever works, right? So this here again is to just double check with the user in terms of preference if they want the project to be more practical, explanatory. And then once this is done, we start a brainstorm session. And then we click here. We click, okay, let's see, basically I want to do this. We do that, and now we wait. Okay, cool. This is basically the idea. These are basically the ideas that were generated. So you see here it says Auto ML for influence and content, a personalized model training and deployment platform, and social media trend forecasting and model deployment platform. I don't know where this idea came from, but yeah, it's powered by Gemini, and yeah, I just did some prompt engineering, and it's powered by Gemini. And yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna make it more fine tuned. I also think the fact that I went with like social media and using all those, I think the project I choose here were a lot, like they were a lot into like AI, machine learning, and like yeah, because that's what I asked. Most of them also, I think some of them are AI agent probably, but yeah, I think the mix was not the best, but at least we got some ideas. So there we go.